Hello, everybody. Today we are taking a wild ride through some of the craziest diet fads out there. From eating only grapefruit to sipping on cabbage soup for days, these diets are as bizarre as they come. But why don't they work? Today, I am breaking down the science behind these diet fads and showing you why a balanced approach to health is always a better choice. Let us kick things off with the famous grapefruit diet. The idea here, eat a grapefruit diet with every meal and supposedly it will melt away the fat. Now, I love the grapefruit as much as anyone, but eating one 3 times a day? That is just one way ticket to heartburn. So why doesn't this work? Grapefruits have vitamin C and fiber, sure, but no food can actually melt fat. Plus, any weight loss here is likely due to the low calories you are eating, not some magic grapefruit power. Next, we have the legendary cabbage soup diet. This one promises that if you eat only cabbage soup for a week, you will lose weight fast. Now, I don't know about you, but the idea of only eating cabbage soup for 7 days straight is enough to make me lose my appetite altogether. Here is the science. While cabbage is low calorie and packed with nutrients, a diet consisting only of soup leaves you without essential proteins, fats, and other nutrients. Sure, you will lose weight, mainly the water weight, but the second you start eating normal food again, the pounds will come right back. Moving on to one of the most peculiar fads out there, the baby food diet. Yes, it is exactly what it sounds like, eating jars of pureed baby foods to cut calories. The idea here is that these mini jars will help you control portions and supposedly drop pounds. Now, aside from looking a little ridiculous, here is the problem. Baby food is designed for babies. It lacks the calories and nutrients needed for an adult body to function. Plus, who wants to be stuck eating mush all day? You did be hungry and likely reaching out for snacks faster than you can say goo goo gaga. Alright, brace yourself, and this one is both extreme and terrifying. The tapeworm diet is exactly what it sounds like, ingesting a tapeworm so that it can help you lose weight by eating some of your food. Talking about taking the body system too far, the dangers here are obvious. Tapeworms can cause malnutrition, digestive issues, and other severe health risks. Plus, they are, parasites, a real no-brainer. Don't try this at home or anywhere, really. Here is the another bizarre one, the cotton ball diet. People actually eat cotton balls soaked in juice thinking it will fill them up without adding calories. Let me be clear. Cotton balls are not food. Beyond being completely unappetizing, this is just plain dangerous. Cotton isn't digestible and eating it can lead to blockages and serious health issues. Filling up on actual high fiber foods, think fruits, veggies and whole grains is much better and safer approach. So what is the bottom line with these diet fads? At best, they lead to temporary weight loss. At worst, they can be dangerous to your health. The truth is, no single food or extreme diet is a magic fix for long-term health and weight loss. Real success comes from balanced eating, regular exercise, and sustainable habits. Instead of jumping on the next fad, focus on creating healthy habits you can stick to. It is less exciting than eating baby food or cabbage soup all day, but trust me, it is a lot more satisfying. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the wild world of diet fads. If you have a laugh or learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and comment below what is the weirdest diet you have ever heard of. Until next time, remember, health is about balance, not extremes.